Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. Hopefully I'm audible. Let me check once. Just looking at my own video, guys. Just give me a minute. Check that I'm live on. Hopefully I'm live. Hello, hello, hello. I think I have to wear this. All right. Let me share my screen first. Hopefully my screen is visible to everyone. Let me reload this page once again. So, guys, this is the application where you can do paper payment. Disclaimer is that we will not involve real money in this. We will do paper trade. All right. So, whoever wants to paper trade or want to do practice and don't want to lose the money in the real market, they can sign up or register at this domain. This the link is in the description box itself. Just once you sign up, you will get $100,000 of money to trade with, and you can trade in this three and in four cryptocurrencies and two commodities, that is gold and silver. Okay. All right. So let me tell you one thing, that I haven't took any trade yet. So this is my today's journey. Order history, you can see that yesterday we took around 8 trades, and this is our order history. So yeah, and let me show you the analytics as well. So this is the analytics page, and in analytics page you can see that this is 9 out of 5 days we are profitable, and in 4 days we conquered loss. So overall the month is going good. So total 9 trading days is there, and this is the net realized profit for this month. Okay, and yeah. So in this month we have done 37 total trades, and out of them 20 are profitable and 17 are in losing trades. Overall the percentage of winning and losing is this. So 41% is our winning trades, and 58.9, that is almost 59%, is the uh, losing trades. Total 180 trades in total, and overall PNL is $9 4 cents, because we have given $100,000, and out of that I incurred the losses of this. Okay. Now let's come back to today's journey again. So let's see where the market is going. Let's analyze it broadly. What is happening at broadly? Like, first take it monthly basis. So on monthly basis, you can see that market is at this. See, what happened in the past couple of months is the one up from 1st of October, like from 6 months to. So these each candle represents 1 month. From last 6 month, market is in falling state, like in lower lows. So as you can see that this is the highest that market touch, and after that market is in continuous lower lows, so continuous falling state. Now this is the buying zone, so we can mark it as 57,000 to 51,000 is the buying zone, and right now market is at 72,000. So it took support from this 61,000 region. All this is the buying zone, like 55, from 55,000 to 65,000 is the buying range. Sorry, the 72,000 as well. So this is a buying range. This is a support that in uh, so this is the support where buyers are there, where big buyers are there, where institution buyers are there. So if market is able to cross this region in the downward direction or did not respect this zone, then it's said to say that that market will reach at this state, and this is literally the state where market is where market was in 2023. And as you know, in 2023, when bitcoin is at like this prices, then there's a huge uncertainty in the global, like where job crises are there, like economy are suffering from globally, like not each individual country, every country is suffering from economic crisis. But as you can see that from the past 6 months, there is a high uncertainty in the global market, because as you can see that these kind of fall never happened in the past. Okay, this is the fall that happened from after COVID, but this is the second thing that happened after long time after COVID. So 2021, 2020 is the COVID years, and after this is the fall that happened after COVID year. That means this is also the huge uncertainty throughout the global, because as you know, world is suffering from different wars, right? And any country is bombarding any country, right? So major role, as you know, is in this game is played by the US government, right, and US itself. So they create the panicness throughout the globe, and as a globe, as an individual, we used to suffer by their problematic decisions. But let's keep that aside. Let's focus on today's journey. What has happened? So this is market is quite weak for about like for quite 6 months. Now this is a pullback, or you can just see that after this much of selling, market took a support from this reason. Now chances are that this month will close somewhere here, and then if people find hope and opportunity, then they continue higher highs in the buying area, right? But as of now, if uncertainty continues, then market will try to touch this area again. So there is a huge uncertainty, but we will try to find out the momentum in the current. Although, like you can just let me show the countdown. So it's still 18 days left in closing of this candle. Let's jump back to what is happening on the daily time frame. So at daily time frame, you can see that. Let's see what is happening at weekly time frame as well. Yeah, as weekly time frame, this is the reason that where buyers are active. So from this buying started, although like it on the last week it faced rejection from this EMA. Now right now the market is touching this EMA again. Possibilities that market will face the, again rejection, but still 2 days left in this week, and Saturday Sunday market usually remain silent, or there is less activity in the market. But today's Friday, as you can see that market already reached this EMA, and if buyers are interested, because this is quite good candle, like you can just see that this the candle strength is quite good, and the daily and the weekly time frame, this is very good candle, and that gives hopes to buyers to continue this buying. Okay, until unless it will face any rejection from this EMA or the upper EMA, then everything gonna seems like okay, because this is the where market is right now, and this is where market took support. So if the support is good, then market has the ability to climb up the ladders, right? So everything depends on the days to come in the next week, but this week candle is quite bullish. So this is daily time frame, and as you can see in daily time frame, this might be as a rejection that you can see on the weekly time frame. It is acting as a EMA, but this is the rejection area where the sellers are active, and this is the breakout. So today market breakout after, although like broke out one one more time like earlier also. So sometimes back, like on 4th March, market broke out and it faced a rejection. And then after this rejection, market went till here from 73,000 to 65,000 in a couple of days. Right now, this is extremely good buying that happened for the past couple of days, and this candle is quite good. Still 10 hours left in this in the closing of this candle, but this candle is quite good. And if this is the right momentum and this is the correct, if this is the legitimate breakout, or as you can say, obvious breakout, uh, right, then market will shoot up no matter what. It will shoot up because there are so much stop loss of these sellers who, because these sellers are protecting their stop loss, which is among here, right? And these are the buyers that accumulated for quite a lot of, like, from 9th Feb, from 6th Feb. You can see that these buyers accumulated for more than a month. And if they because after this much of selling, market paused, and pause means it gave chance to buyers to come in. And buyers also have that stamina, that they came after this invitation from the market. And now, right now, this candle is the proof that buyers are interested in taking the market in that direction. So let's see if there is no such rejection, or there is nothing from the sellers. And sellers, because market will give them time chance to these sellers as well. If they didn't respond, then market will definitely go in the up direction. So this is a, daily time frame candle, and this is 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is quite bullish. So our approach is, we are bullish today, for obvious reasons. These are the market broke out with full confidence, and we are also confident in the market in the long run. So we will find the opportunity in the buying side only. And this is the 15-minute time frame, and this is 5-minute time frame. So we will trade at 5-minute time frame, and we'll find the right opportunity in the buying side. Okay, because there's nothing that market has to worry about. Although, like, this can act as a selling zone. Uh, so we have to be a little bit careful about this zone, which pays so this 74,000, but it's still quite far. And market has ability to give a good momentum. Okay, so we will find the opportunity in the upside only. Okay. This is quite a good candle. See, right, in a 5-minute time frame, you can see that market, after this much of this green candle, this good green candle, market didn't sustain. And there is no follow-up candle came after this, and market took a pullback. And this pullback came to the EMA, and from EMA, market faced a rejection, and buyers got active again. This is a great candle, again, but this is continuing in the buying direction. So we will not jump directly in this candle. We will wait for another pullback like this, and then we will jump in the up direction. So our plan is quite clear. We'll wait for a pullback, because this is ongoing market. And jumping in the ongoing market is quite risky, because market can take any time pullback, or buyers can at any time starts booking their profits. And that eventually gives the opportunity to sellers as well, that they thought that market is now going the selling side. And now, so it will take a healthy pullback, like 500, 600 points, and we will st- and we will be trapped in giving the stop losses to them. All right, so what we will do, we will wait a little bit. See, as you can see that after this rejection, market also faced a rejection from this. So uh, we have to be little careful. Okay, so let's see what is happening in silver as well. So we will do the top down approach in the silver as well. Let me just see what is happening on the monthly time basis. So at monthly time frame you can just see market is quite bullish, guys. This is see, as you can see that uh let me show you. Okay, for the past couple of, okay, so history is quite old, like 1990s. Okay, nice. So as you can see, okay, 1937 market is quite, silver is quite old, guys, quite old. 78, I think we are going out of scope. Okay, let's stick to our ground. So silver went in buying like from July, from June, July 2025. From the last year, you can just see that this is huge buying, guys. See, in all those 10-20 years, no buying happened. And there is sudden buying happened in 2025. That means the globally we are at the edge of something. The uncertainty is quite high globally. I'm saying that because people are afraid in investing in USD or in cash flows. They are putting money in commodities like silver and gold, and you can see people start putting money like crazy. Like from June 2025 or July 2025, you can see the graph exploded. This is literally the exponential graph. This is where market is moving slowly, and this is quite good thing. If market is from the sea, as you can see from 2020, market is moving very slowly, very, let me see what is that, is there any opportunity in the Bitcoin or not. I think, okay, so something happened, guys. So this much of buying happened, like from 32, price from 32 went straight to 121. It's crazy amount of return or crazy amount of inflation in the silver. And after this much of inflation, what happened is silver crashed suddenly and came at 84 from 130, 121 to what is this, 121, yeah, 121, 122 to 84. And again certain drop down to 64. But for somehow market took support, and that people, because if such crash will happen, like this is pump and there is a sudden dump, then investor will be on road. So although it's a dump only, but somehow big players uh, supported the market and saved the market from crash. So from 65 it went up, and now this candle is this might be profit booking candle or something, but this is also uncertain candle, guys, right? If this candle closes in the downward direction now, then if it closes in the red, because there is no red candle since several months, then this will create panicness in these buyers. If this candle closes in red, then everyone will panic and start selling. So let's see what is happening on a daily time frame. Okay, after this much of buying, as you can see, uh, daily time frame, I can see a trend line over here where the market is respecting this trend line and buying will happen. But though buying is, you can see the strength of the red candle is quite high, and buying is slow. That means people are not interested in buying that much, rather than they prefer selling. But for some reason, like these buyers are supporting this trend line, and market is, although like this can be treated as the selling zone. This can be treated as selling zone from as soon as the market. I'm just looking at, oh, okay, we have just Just missed our trade, guys. No, we should have jumped here. I'm waiting for a pullback somewhere here, but it shooted. Okay, so on a daily time frame, as you can see that after this much of crash, market it took a pullback, and as soon as this touched this zone, then market went in selling again, and then slowly buying, then touched somewhere at the EMA, then again in selling, then slowly kept in buying, and this is a breakout which invited too many buyers, and then just taking stop loss of all the buyers, then again the slow buying, and as soon as it reached this, market went in selling again. Now this market is at a buying zone again. So slow buying can come again, and market will touch this. Or if there is a breakout of this area, then we can then we can see the fall of 20 points, more than 20 points. So today, market is quite uncertain to trade actually. So because this is the buying zone, let me show you what I'm seeing right now. Yeah. So what I am looking at is this is the buyer's area. This is the seller's area, and we are at buyer's area as well as in seller's area as well. So that's why we are seeing a dozy candle at this is 15-minute time frame candle. So we have to be a little bit careful, guys. Uh, because uncertainty is quite high and anything can happen. Yeah, our analysis is supporting that market will be will be in selling under this area, but 1 hour time frame is suggesting that market will go in higher highs and touch this area. But shorter time frame it is suggesting that it will take a rejection from this area. Uh, Although like you can just see this is slow buying. So the thing is that buying happens very slowly, and this might be considered as a trend breakout. So let's remove some noise, guys. Let's see what will market will do. We'll trade in Bitcoin. The chances that it will take a pullback till here is quite high because there are so many buyers who might get trapped after, or who might be in the buying side, but after seeing this red candle they might panic. But I think the buying momentum is quite high, guys. There's a small buying zone in silver as well. Okay, silver is breaking this buying zone. Little bit buying zone. This is not strong. Although like if the momentum from the upside is strong, then no buying zone will. But after this much of buying and going in the selling is quite. But we can see that market is at selling zone, so there might be sellers who are responsible to take the move, take the market in the downward direction. Yeah, so this buying zone is working. So uh, we'll wait for this candle to close. There are some sellers over here, and they are pushing the market in the downward direction. But there must be buyers over here as well. Here, in silver, we can see the next buyers over this area. So this is the next buying zone. So it's quite hard, or you can say quite hard for the market to cross or to fight with multiple buying zones. We might punch the trade in the up direction as well because this is the buyers area, and market has the opportunity to go until here. Like, but we will avoid it because as we can see, the next selling zone is this. Let's wait in the silver. Let's see that this buying zone is enough for this market to stop in going downward direction, or because after this selling there's so many sellers who are attracted and must be in the selling side. But after this much of rejection and this pin bar candle, there is a panicness in here as well. And if the buyers are strong, then they have the opportunity to take the market till here. So we will punch the order in the buying direction if market crosses 8361. There is a temporary selling zone here. We'll punch that order in the buying direction as soon as the market crosses 592. So it is breaking. It's good. So price action is supporting sell supporting sellers. Although like there is a buying area, but this rejection, this selling area is dominating and dominating quite well. See, market came to this area from here to here. That means sellers are quite interested. See, for the third time, market faced rejection from this. Crazy. Next selling zone is this. Market has ability to at least test this zone. This is still quite far. 720 points. 33 more seconds to close this candle. Silver is facing rejection from this area, although like this is quite good. Silver is quite good in selling side. Five nine one, right? So 73591, yeah. 595 or 73600, something like that. But silver is not respecting the buyers at all and going in downward direction very fast. This is not working anymore. This this is the buyer's area, guys. Crazy selling, guys. In silver, there is huge sell. As you can see at 15-minute time frame, still 2 minutes and 33 seconds. So this is quite a good selling, guys. Quite good selling, and market has crossed this zone as well. So right now, the chances that market will touch this is quite high, extremely high actually. No, didn't respect this zone at all. So buyers are not respected at all in this selling pressure. What about Bitcoin? We'll wait for 70 more points in Bitcoin. Huge selling. We should have taken the opportunity somewhere here. It was in front of my eyes. Market is slipping, and I'm sleeping. I'm thinking to punch the order in the buying side. I'm just waiting that this candle comfortably crosses this selling little bit selling zone. This candle is going to close in 10 seconds. This is 8243. It's taking rejection again from this area. 8243. I'll jump in the selling side. If this current candle crosses its low, that is 8243. 8243, yeah. This is the low. Otherwise, we'll avoid. I'm jumping in the buying side in the what is this? BTC. What is this? Tell me. 73451. This is my long position. 73451. 73451. Somewhere here, I just punched my trade. My stop loss is quite small, 111 points only, and I will see, and I will target at least 1:3, at least 1:3. All right, 111 points is our stop loss, and it is approaching to our stop loss. Let's focus on silver as well. Okay, silver have We missed the trade in silver, guys. We missed the trade in silver. We got busy in BTC, and BTC is giving us loss. I squared off my position in BTC because BTC already have given us stop loss. That's quite good. Silver, we have missed the trade in silver. Guys, this is my buying selling candle. We should have enjoyed good amount of profit. BTC, you betrayed me, yaar. कोई बात नहीं, होता है। बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं। See, after taking a stop loss, this is our stop loss. I'm punching the order in the buying direction again. Let me see where I punched the order. 73430. 73430. This is the buying order. Okay. Stop loss is same 193, but we'll hold this trade. Okay. Crazy guys. I think we have captured the good trade. Just hold this trade. We will not take any loss in this trade now. This is risk-free trade. Now we just have to hold this trade till here. Have to take small risk. That's what I'm taking. Chances of this trade to continue until hit this target is quite high. We just have to hold our winning trade. Just hold, Vivek. Just hold. Just hold and see the magic of Bitcoin. Okay, silver faced a rejection from here or a support from here. Now can punch the trade in. Although like We didn't have that much of money right now left. How much money we left? 324,000. We should have sold here. Silver, silver, just get out of our hand. Silver have given this opportunity to us here. Okay, BTC is going good. It's better. Let's hold in BTC, but let's find the trade in silver as well. Okay, BTC approaching to our target. Just hold this trade, Vivek. Just hold this trade. Holding your trade is very difficult. I'm still holding my trade. I will hold my trade. Silver is taking facing rejection from this area. So I sold some silver. I don't know where I sold it. Uh, I sold it. 8252. 8252. Wait, 8252. Here. Option H. Um, this is my short position. But 11,333. $33 is my loss, and this is my profit. Okay. I'm holding my winning trade, guys. That's the psychology I want to develop. I want to hold my winning trade. I just squared off this because it's not looking good. Bitcoin is giving me anxiety now. Bitcoin just gave me a shock. Profit is reversing in Bitcoin, guys. We have seen around 400 plus dollar profit in Bitcoin, but it reversed. Silver, you also gave me the gabachi. We will hold this trade. We will have nothing to lose in this trade. We will cut this trade cost to cost, no matter what. But we will see it winning. We will see the journey. I am interested in the journey because if I will panic or if I will get afraid in booking big profits, then the chances that I will not survive this market is quite high. And I have to survive in this market. I have to win in this market. I have to win in the long term. And for that, I have to have a big hurt to hold my trades. If I also being the individual like everyone else, then the chances of that I will not be sustainable and profitable in the long run. Come on. $461 is the profit that we have seen, the maximum profit. 473 is the maximum profit that you have seen. $480. Good. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, brother. I want 500 plus dollar profit, bro. Okay, you're taking rejection again and again. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Okay. So we came back to $380 again. It took a rejection from up. What is stopping Bitcoin to reach? Okay, we already there. Take a sharp return. Hmm. No, it's very hard. That entire profit vanished, guys, in front of my eyes. We have seen around 480 $70 profit, and came back to $141, 129, 105. We'll cut this trade cost to cost. Yeah, we got unlucky. $400 profit just went from our hands. I'm cutting this trade cost to cost. So at $7, I cut this trade because see, you have to deal with this kind of days as well. We have captured the good trade. Actually, this is the very good trade that we captured here. And for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes we are in this trade, and we ended up in cost to cost. What I can say, it happens. It's part of game. Sometime market will reward you with big profits. Sometime it will show you big profits and then give you chunks and chillers. All right, we planned next trade. Don't worry. Although like market is at selling zone now. What is happening? Silver. Silver is. It's good that we squared off our trade in silver as well. Because silver is also playing piano. I'm just coming. Okay, let's forget about that trade, guys, because that will hurt us. Although, let's analyze what happened is like after this breakout, people thought, like me, also thought that it will reach up till here, but it grabbed the liquidity of all the buyers and made this big, big red candle. Now, the chances of this continuing is quite high. Up till here, this is the probability that market will continue this selling, or if this is a pullback, then buyers are interested to take this market and try to test this again. So that will depend how this particular candle, if this candle reaches below, closes below this 73409, then we are bearish. Otherwise, at 7409 and 597. So these two are the condition for us to trade. But the target we will get is quite small. But the problem is that in such after such buying, thinking to sell is quite. Odd. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, selling continues in the silver. Crazy God. Bitcoin, we missed the trade in Bitcoin, guys. I assume that the selling will not come, but look at this. So it invited all the buyers and then just dumped them off. Crazy, crazy manipulation, guys. Crazy. This is acting as selling zone, guys. This is acting as a selling zone. Now we are bearish, guys, in Bitcoin. We are quite bearish actually. 4912. I sold some BTC. That is zero point 0.5 BTC. I sold at 972910. Short position 72910 here. I will take $50 loss, not more than that. I will keep adding one in the selling side, but as of now, this is my trade. $50 is my maximum stop loss. I just traded for the follow up only, follow up candle. I would be adding zero point 0.5 more can in selling side. So I sold one BTC. Crazy God. I squared off this position at $2 loss, but I will again try to find the opportunity in the selling side only. I don't know why I squared off, but yeah. Today's trading psychology is quite different, guys. Although, like, we are finding the good trades, but I don't know what is happening. We have to avoid trading in the on the selling side in the silver because right now the silver is at buying zone. Buying can happen from anywhere, but this is quite good. This actually. It reached our target, although our target is very small. We can increase our target as well. I don't know why we are scared. ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा यार विवेक? हम्म? बताओ यार, डेमो ट्रेडिंग में तुम डर रहे हो ट्रेड लेने से? रियल में तो पता नहीं क्या ही करोगे. Bro, if you want to get out of this matrix, you have to fight with yourself. You have to no, don't fight. You have to support yourself. You have to support your gut feeling. You have to back yourself, bro. See, your analysis is good. Everything is good. Your prediction is also right. The probability of taking the trade in the downward direction is quite high. But what are you afraid of? You are afraid of the pullbacks, and that makes sense also because you're in this trade. You're getting the good profits, but the pullback is the one that took all of your profits. That that is understandable, but bro, there is nothing to lose. You have to take the risk. If you will not take the risk, then who will take? Hmm? अब देख के बैठो यार. Either either be a part of game or be the audience. Silver fall in front of my eyes from here to here, from 83 to 81, in front of my eyes. So I came early. I came at 7, but I didn't. I'm not able to convert any opportunity in my favor. So what is the point to come live at 7? I'm staring my screen. I just want to do one thing. Yeah, hopefully my screen is visible again. तुम समझोगे दीवाना. Just kept thinking, and market slipped away again. Guys, we have to back. I have to back myself. Otherwise, see, this is where I'm thinking to sell. I just thought of sell, and market just slept away. Just slept away in front of my eyes again. Silver is also slipping like crazy, guys. Like crazy. This is crazy amount of selling. Crazy selling, guys. chances that it will continue selling is quite high now. Bitcoin already reached our target. If we have taken the trade, then we have enjoyed a more than 500 $600 profit. But for some reason, we got afraid. I got afraid. Let me put it in the right way. This is the area where buyers are a little bit active. Crazy, right? This is crazy amount of buying, and then market just seen a massive sell-off, massive rejection from this area, massive rejection. Two opportunities running in parallel, like silver is also giving, Bitcoin is also giving. We haven't took a single opportunity. I haven't taken a single opportunity, guys. Taken the single opportunity. One of the worst day today I'm having. Although like the loss is not the worst, but the opportunity that I missed is quite. Today I have literally, if I've traded with my gut feeling and with a little gut, right, I have made more than $1,000 today. But the reality is that I'm at $78 loss. Crazy 1 hour candle, crazy closing, guys. We'll punch our trade at 8060. तुम समझोगी दीवाना और करूं दीवाने तुम के पास तुम रहते हो. Now we have to wait. पम पम दिल के पास तुम रहते हो. Remember, this is the buying zone, guys. So there might be a pullback that Bitcoin can face. Crazy, guys. See, just this buying happened and this sell-off happened in last 15 to 20 minutes. Swept away all the buyers. That's the beauty of Bitcoin. Nothing is permanent here. Anytime sentiment will changes. Bitcoin faced support. Chances are that Bitcoin might face a pullback. So we might get a trade, but the probability is that we have to keep our stop loss really low, really small. But we will not directly jump here. We have to see that is it facing a rejection or not, because this is very very subtle buying zone. Silver, silver is giving opportunity in the selling side. 8089. This will be our buying area, sorry, selling area. But the price is तुम के पास रहते हो 81. Okay, so from here to here, pullback is expected. It's quite obvious that this pullback will come. The problem over here is that this is the buyer's area. So the chances that silver can take support is quite high. समझे आप? तो यहाँ से सपोर्ट मिल सकता है सिल्वर को. तो भी कुछ भी उटपटांग हरकतें नहीं दे सकते अपन. तेरे करीब Quite a big rejection pullback, guys, in silver, as well as in Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin does assume that pullback will come, but as of 1 hour time frame, you can just see that market is quite bearish now. Although like this is a selling zone, and market respected that selling zone quite a bit. So let's see. You have to find the opportunity. If I take short position again at here, somewhere here, then my stop loss would be 189 points. 126 is like that something that I can take. Yeah, this pullback is quite strong. This can touch the CMA. I have to handle this little bit carefully. मेरे मन में कुछ हो रहा है उठी है ठोर है. It should test its buying area again. So I'm just selling it. I don't know where I sold. Let's see. So to 72606. 72606. 606 here. So I sold over here, and my stop loss would be at high of this candle only. 82 points is my stop loss, guys. Target is this. No compromise with the target again. We will see it. Am I able to add 0.5? No. 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. Okay. Okay. So $80 is our maximum stop loss, guys. We are approaching towards stop loss, and target is 415 points. Okay. In percentage, if I talk, is 0.5%. So it's one ratio five trade. Good. Come on, BTC, you have the ability. You have the ability, BTC. Okay. All right. It is approaching to us to a stop loss. Okay. I think it will get a stop loss, huh? Why? Why are you doing like that, guys? Okay, so I have to square off this position. Yeah, I just cut off my trade at $137. And that's end today's session, guys. Unbelievable session. Pullback stretched a bit. Guys, this is the worst session that I have. Worst session. Worst. What I have done today is extremely poor. No, this pullback will come, but this pullback stretched a lot, literally a lot. Should take. I've taken the another risk. Let's see where I took the risk. 72742. Short position 72742. Here. This is my risk again. $195 is my risk. Target is this again this. Okay. I'm editing the order. Come on, BTC, come on. You have to test your buying zone again, yaar. Look at the buyers are not there or not. I think I have to square off. I will square off the straight cut to cost like $19-20 loss. That's the maximum loss that I can take. This is my last trade, guys. Whatever will happen, we'll accept it. मेरे मन में कशोर है You don't have. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. I think I have to cut this cost. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. You have to reach at $400. Come on. BTC. 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 See, I'm hyping you around, right? Just respect it. Oh, coin. I think I have to cut this trade cost to cost. I cut this trade cost to cost. $48 is the maximum loss that I took, and it should reflect here. All right, guys. So I'm ending this today's session. So our day looks like this. So we ended up in loss, unfortunately, and अरे यार, what are you trying to do, man? I'm selling again. Think. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Show the power of price action. After this, I will not take any loss in this trade. So there is nothing to lose in this trade. Why I took this risk is market price action is in selling zone, right? Selling back to back selling, and now it took a pullback, healthy pullback, and it came to buying area again. Sorry, selling area again, because the market is trending is at EMA. So I previously I took the risk in the downside, but It took me stopped out, and second time it faced the rejection from the EMA. Then I find this as an opportunity, and that's why I jumped in. And my target is this. So I this the probability of the price action testing its buying zone is quite high. That's why I jumped in. Come on. And it is also a double top. First time rejection, second time rejection. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Yes. It's facing problem. Bitcoin, this is your target, bro. This is your target. Follow the price action. Follow the price action. Show the power of price action to everyone. Show the game of patience and taking a small risk and trying. Show the game of trying. Show the reward of trying, actually. The right word is reward. Come on, BTC. Come on, BTC. Come on. Yes, for the first time we have seen 300 plus dollar profit. Nice, nice BTC. Great work. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm holding. I'm holding you guys. I'm holding. I'm holding you back. Just perform. I'm just holding you. Today we have seen 400 plus dollar profit, like $480, something like that. We haven't booked. I haven't booked actually. Come on, BTC, come on. BTC, BTC, BTC. See that how much I'm hyping you guys. This much of support I have got from my family, parents. Nah, I have conquered the world. I'm supporting you. I'm supporting you. That means you have the ability to reach this this zone, this buying zone. Come on, BTC. Yeah, you can do it. I'm pumping you, bro. BTC, BTC. Because this, see, the reason is after this much of selling, this is a healthy pullback, and it invited most of the buyers, and the buyers have the stop loss around here. So after this, for the first time rejection, and this invited sellers went in, and this upper tick took the liquidity of all the sellers. Now there's no more sellers, and if the market wants to move in the downward direction, then this is the right time to move in the downward direction and to grab the liquidity of all the all the buyers who jumped in by seeing this. I think you will give me thoka. Should I book you? Because you're pausing. Pausing is not good. Come on, one more, yaar. One more momentum in downward direction. Come on, bro. तुम समझोगे दीवाना. Oh, come on. Don't tease me, yaar. Okay. $330. Come on. Come on, BTC. 15 more seconds to close this candle. 337. Come on, BTC, come on. 335, 340, 346. Great. Great. Good, good, good going. Good going. 395, 404, 411. I just booked at 427, guys. I don't want to reverse this candle to reverse, although like it reached our target. So, guys, we at the end of this game, we just we just took this trade. See, we are trying very hard. Like we tried before this trade. Like let me show you. This is the $45 loss. So at 8:46 p.m. 72763. What is this? 72763. Wow. So 72763, 72763. Somewhere here. We tried here that market will go in the down, but market to see if he didn't book now, then we have we have been crying because the mistake that I did in the second or third trade in the early, like after wiping up $480, we don't have to repeat. We don't want to repeat that mistake again and again. So this is the trade that I'm talking about, guys. After this much of selling, market took this. Although like we missed the selling, guys. I'm so okay. Well, let's forget about that. So I missed missed. Let's talk about each trade one by one. So let's talk about this trade first. So what happened is after the selling, market is at a buying zone, right? And after this buying zone, mosquito guys. After this buying zone, market respected very well. After although this seems like the market is going in the downward direction, but it trapped most of the sellers out because this is the buying zone. And after this candle closed in the doji candle, market went up from here to here, like 455 points. This is a healthy pullback. And after this, market faced a rejection. So this invited all the buyers. And after the inviting of the buyers, market reached this EMA. And EMA sellers are active at the EMA mostly because they don't want to, because after having this much of good profit, they don't want this profit to reverse. So what they will do, they will try to pump the market again, and that will also trap these buyers. And these buyers who are just looking at this market will going in the up direction, and they started after seeing this rejection, they start getting in panic. And this is where the sellers start coming in, weak sellers start coming in. And as soon as sellers also come in, this upper tick wiped out all the sellers. Like me, I also came in at this area, right? But it wiped out me here. And it so I've seen that there is opportunity again. So I took a little risk. Like I took around $80 risk again, and I went in the downward direction, and I waited for 15 minutes, and I got around $427. So already we are like around $280 or something loss, but right now we are closing our day at $166 profit. So our day is, see, our losing trade is more than the winning trade. And even though that we are closing in the in the green, that means our risk reward is quite good. And as you can see, let's talk about risk reward from here. So this is the trade that we took at 7:49 p.m. And this is the trade where we took in the BTC, and this is the buying trade. Okay, so 7:49. And this is the trade that we took, the first trade, which one more thing that Vivek means me, okay, that I have to take care is I have to I've tried to book first trade in profit, either in small profit or in big profit, but first trade has to close in green. If first trade closes in red, right, then it impacts the psychology. It impacts it psychology starts negatively. Like you already have $111 to recover. The mindset starts recovering. Although, like if you find the good trades, but you will not uh, jump right in the trade because you didn't see our when we come to the game when we start the game, right, we have the risk appetite of three trades to lose. Three trades means $100 per trade, that is 300 trade, $300, and that's my risk appetite that I came daily, that uh, uh, this is my risk that I will going to put on the table. And and if this three trades will not work out, then I will lose $300. So after first losing trade, that is $100 losing trade, now what I left is with two trades, so my risk appetite decreased. So risk appetite decreased, that means now my mind is more conscious that only two trades are left, otherwise I have to be out of the game, right? Then let me show you why this trade what went in my head while punching this trade. 746, and this is the buying trade. 73451. 746. 746. Sorry. Mm-hmm. 746. Yeah, this one. So okay, wow, this is also great trade, Vivek. You have good. Although like you went, although like you closed your trade in the loss, but this is one of the best trade that you have took. This is good opportunity, good risk. I appreciate it. So 746 means that this candle, and 73451. 73451 is the uh 73451. Yeah, we have punched the trade here in the long direction because market is in higher highs, and after this I have seen this market is facing rejection from this area. But the wrong thing that I did is I have little bit waited, and maybe I have punched the trade here, but I punched the trade somewhere here. Okay, after what I thought is that market is taking a rejection from here, and this is the right time that it will cross it. Or this wick was made later. I jumped in here, and instead of moving in the up direction, instead of moving up in up direction from here, market went in downward direction and stopped me out. Then it went again, and it went again. So this is the stop loss that I got out in the stop loss. And the second trade is that it went again in the up direction at 749, and I 73430. So I jumped in again 73430. That means somewhere here I jumped in again at 746. What is this? What the time is? Time 749. 749 on the same in the same candle, guys. So wow, this is crazy stuff. So I stopped out in the in the this candle only, in the single candle only. And as soon as I find that this is taking a rejection, and the rejection is quite good, I jumped in here, and from here to here I witnessed around $406 profit, but I didn't book. My booking is at this area at $600 something. But market shown me around. Let me show you what market shown me. Market shown me around $483 profit, guys. $483, and I didn't booked it, and I booked at cost to. I came out at cost to cost because my target is this, and market reversed. Uh, so this is my target. My target is around $624, and market risk reverse from here. So very unfortunate, but we can't do anything, and came out cost to cost. And the same time, I also punched a trade in silver in the downward side, which is I know that it might stop me out, so that I just came out cost to cost. And this is the trade that I punched in the selling side at 815, 815, 72, 890, 815, 815, 815 is this one, this candle, okay? So 72850. एक सेकेंड, मैं क्यों कम पंच किया स्क्रिप्ट को? 815 पे 72890, 815 पे 72850. This is 815 candle, 72850. अच्छा तो था ट्रेड, कहाँ पंच किया मैंने, किस साइड है? सेलिंग साइड में पंच किया, सही तो किया था. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो द क्लासिक विवेक मूव. 72890 भाई, 890, 72890, 890, या 815 पे यहाँ पर मैंने पंच किया था ट्रेड को. 890 हेयर. भाई तो उसको होल्ड करना चाहिए था ना मुझे. कितना बढ़िया ट्रेड तो पंच किया था 715 पे, 815 पे. शुड हैव वेटेड. वाओ, घेलो ची घेलो, घेलो ची घेलो. कितना बढ़िया ट्रेड था, फिर तो कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट बाहर क्यों आ गया? कितना प्यारा ट्रेड था भाई. डायरेक्शन सही थी, सेल डायरेक्शन में 815 पे लिया था, यहाँ पर लिया था इस वाले कैंडल पे. क्या है यार, क्या विवेक, क्या गुंडा बनेगा तू? ओके, दिस इज गोइंग ओके, नाइस. क्रेजी, इट ऑलरेडी gave us profit and target both. Okay, let's keep our trade, original trade. Yeah, this one. So what I'm talking about is this one. Then at 843, we punched the trade in the downward direction at 72606. 843, 72606, 843, 72606. Here we punch the trade here, but in which direction? The direction is important. Sell side, sell direction, 843. Okay, okay, all right, all right. This is mistake. This is mistake, guys. I should have waited for 606. This is not a trade. This market is still taking a pullback, and after this good green candle, market will definitely try to go a little bit higher. And I punched the trade in the downward direction. This is early entry. This is not a bad entry, but this is early entry, and I punched my trade early. Although, like after this good green candle, I should have waited. So this is not a good trade, and I stopped out. Fine. And after that, this is, I already explained, and at the same, I jumped in again. Okay, that's fine. Okay, market is going in the downward direction, but I think we are done for the day. I already, oh, crazy, crazy move, guys. Wow. After breaking this green zone, it is taking market is taking liquidity of all the buyers out there. Crazy, guys, crazy, crazy move. Okay, what we are done for the day. Although, like the good thing is that we have seen a lot in today's trading session. We have waited for a profit, big profit, and then wiped out and came out at cost to cost. We got afraid in holding one more trade, and that $2 loss. Yeah, remember? And yeah, and then we took one bad entry. That I agree that one bad entry is there, and we took one of the risk after, although like we already incurred more than $250 loss for today's, but the good thing is, and that is the key factor, and that is the differentiator that will differentiate me in the market. We could bet on yourself after $250 loss. If you have the guts to take another trade, that means you have the guts to hold also. So you have to work on yourself and hold, because very few less people have the guts after taking $250 loss, because this already exhaust the risk appetite. But I took one more risk. I thought that if $50 or $80 I will incur, that means 300, that I will close my dollar in $320 loss in red, and that's fine. But one more risk is there, and I because this is double top. This is double top. This is double top. Market took a rejection in previous candle. Market took the rejection in current candle also, where I jumped in. So that's fine. It's fine, Vivek. But I back myself and see from here, market went here till here, 757 points breakdown. But yeah, I have to hold. I have to, but holding will only come when you are profitable, when you have money to put in on the bench, then only can you can hold. And you also observed one thing, that I'm comfortable in holding trades when it reaches some zone out. So when I feel comfortable that when it exceeds some steps or some threshold. For example, if my stop loss is 100 points, and my profit is running at um, let's say 200 points, then I will come. Then I will uh, minimize my stop loss to cost, or I took my stop loss to cost. So there is nothing to lose. That's why I'm free, because in this trade, nothing there is nothing to lose. Whatever will happen, I will come out cost to cost at $0. That I will think that I have not taken the trade, but I have nothing to lose. If I have things to lose, if it is dancing in my stop losses, or it is juggling between stop losses and giving profits and showing stop losses, then it is quite hectic. Once the trade starts working, then it is very easy to hold the trade. Not easy actually, but it's quite good to hold the trade. Okay, enough talking. Two learning from today. First thing is, try to book first trade in profit, no matter what, either small profit or big profit, but because it will give you the positive mindset and positive start. First thing first. And the second thing is, hold your trade, hold your winning trade. And if you think that you have holded your trade quite good, and the chances of rejection is there, and the market is pausing, just book. All right, that's it. That's it for today. Closing this session for today. Although like it is 230 minutes, but it's a good session overall. All right then. Bye bye. See ya Monday.